Hey guys, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. Thank you for tuning in. So today is just going to be our first wash video. This car hasn't seen water, I'm sure, in many years. So I'm not even going to bother setting up the pressure washer today. It's just about getting kind of some dirt and dust off the car. I'm going to use a little bit of Blue Dawn dishwashing soap because it has degreasing properties in it. I like that. On cars that don't have nice paint, you're not going to hurt it. And then I'm going to hit it with a little bit of red Scotch-Brite pad just to kind of see what we're looking at in different areas. And then the bumpers, as always, with my SOS pads. And then just regular old scrub brush for a car. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in today. I will get into more detailing videos at the end of the week. I don't have a lot of time today, so this is just going to be a very short little video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let's hop in and get started. So in practically all of my videos, I go through boxes and boxes of this stuff when I have cars to work on. Good old SOS pads. They come pre-soaped. They don't scratch anything. I mean, you can use these things for a million different reasons. So this kind of stuff right here on stainless, that's the one good thing, another good thing about this car. The stainless is absolutely amazing. And I want to show you guys that SOS will get all of these marks off. All of this junk right here will make it look brand new again. So just get everything nice and wet. Set my hose down. Sometimes you have to do it in stages depending on how bad it is, but I mean typically SOS will make stainless look absolutely brand new. And I am going about this car kind of backwards today. Typically I clean out the inside. I haven't even touched the inside of this car yet. I was kind of just curious to see, you know, what the stainless would clean up like, what the chrome would clean up like. And honestly today, I mean, I didn't even set up my pressure washer. I don't have a lot of time, so this is just going to be a little quick video. But I was dying to see what all this is going to come out like when I actually have time to really dig in and detail it. All right, so a lot of good scrubbing. And as you can see, those marks are completely gone. And the stainless looks like it's almost brand new again. So once we do that around the entire car, see this seam right here, I didn't get the best. So I can get that red stuff out. So there you guys have it. Also, you know, light rust around window frames and things like that, the SOS will take off as well. So let me set my camera down on my tripod and we'll see if we can get rid of that too. So as you guys can see, bringing the camera in a little bit closer, it did get rid of that red rust along all the window frames. I can't talk enough about SOS. I just love it. I've used it all my life. It works great for all these old cars. The other thing that is really nice about this car too, a lot of old cars have like milky glass that kind of has, you know, gotten cloudy or you can't see through it really clearly. This car, the glass it's dirty right now, not the outside isn't, but the inside I haven't gotten around to cleaning yet. But it's not cloudy and milky like that. It's very clear still, so that's really nice. This right here is the only piece of broken glass on the whole car, and it is flat glass, so obviously super easy to replace. Windshield's good, back curved glass is good. Those are the important parts, so it doesn't give you too much to worry about there. But like I said, I mean, it is just really nice and clear still, looks brand new. So once you get this piece replaced, you are good to go. before I wrap this video up today, I've got other things I have to take care of, but I wanted to tackle the rear bumper for a minute. I know all of this surface rust will come off. I guess I'm just getting ahead of myself and excited to see what it looks like, so let's get started on that now. So I know it's still wet and it's hard to tell, but I will definitely show you guys when we're completely done. This is all I have time for today, but you can see clearly that I did passenger side of the car and I didn't do the driver's side. So as you can see, it's got all this junk on here, and on this side, it's now gone. So I'm really gonna put some elbow grease into these bumpers. Also, I mean, the bumpers are pitted because again, this is original chrome from 1960. So they're not gonna be perfect, but the thing is, I haven't done the side pieces yet either. I got most of the red rust off, which was nice. And like I said, I can get it all off when I just take more time and finish the job. But you can see this side versus this side. Still have the red rust there and obviously all that junk. So, and then also too, this was the only other body damage to the car. I call it Twisted Fin, or I should say my mom called it Twisted Fin. Kind of a little character adding thing there, but obviously needing to be fixed. So I just figured I'd show you guys that real fast. So anyway, that is it for the rear bumper today. We will pick up on this again in a couple days when I have more time. So I let the car just kind of air dry. This was the spot we worked on earlier with our SOS. So I got rid of all the rusty stuff there on the stainless. And as you guys know, I love this kind of just as like a finishing product. It gets off water spots, things like that. I personally love the patina of this car. So whoever gets it, you know, yeah, you may want to paint it, but I love the patina. And like I said, when you have stainless as nice as all this, it would be really cool just to kind of maybe do like a satin clear coat and then just leave it. Honestly, I think that's really awesome. But there is our stainless, everybody. That was the part earlier that was all rusty and yucky. So as you can see, it's absolutely stunning. So when I'm done cleaning all the rest of the stainless, I will go over everything when the car is completely dry with this and just get all the water spots off and finish up. Okay, everybody, that's a wrap. That's all I have time for today. So I wanted to thank everybody for tuning in and watching. I will be starting again hopefully tomorrow. I'll have a little bit more time. I want to continue SOSing all the stainless on the car since we saw how nice the little piece around the back window came out. I want to do all of it and make it really, really nice. The bumpers, I will continue on. I did this car a little bit backwards. Typically, I get inside, rip all the carpet out if it's bad, get all the trash out, things like that. But today, I just wanted to be outside in the beautiful weather. I didn't really want to be working in the car. So did things a little bit backwards, but I've got a lot of parts to go through in the trunk here, inventory, things like that. Just lots and lots of stuff in there. So I will be filming everything as always and uploading it to YouTube. So I hope you guys will come back again next time and watch the next video. I've got a lot of you inquiring about the car, when it will be available for sale, things like that. So as soon as I can get it cleaned out, cleaned up, and I can get really good videos and pictures for you guys so everybody knows exactly what they're getting. I love to represent my cars 100% accurately. So I just need a couple more days to get it cleaned up the rest of the way, and then it will be for sale soon. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you for your support and watching my channel. Have a very blessed day, everybody. Take care.